Hey, how you doing? It's Mike, Innovative Door. Today we're going to show you some more Timberlast doors by Hormann. We got 3 of them here, 2 9x8s and a 16x8 in the middle. Okay. These are the long panel or the cottage. These are the wood toned. Okay, nice seals here. Nice wood tone. Nice grooves in the panel. Okay, we got arch top glass. It is insulated glass. And here we go. Open sesame. These are the 3200 series, so these are 2 inches thick. Okay, I'm going to stop the door here. It does have the nice premium bottom rubber on here, so it seals up nice. These are pinch resistant doors. Got the safety screws here on the bottom. These are all premium nylon wheels. I'll show you here, these are pinch resistant here. You cannot get your fingers pinched in these sections, which is great. Excellent safety device, especially for any homeowner. You have to worry. Okay, it's all 14 gauge. These are all double spring doors and 15-inch radius tracks, and they are complemented, of course, by the 7500 Hormann door opener. These are ultra quiet, ultra smooth doors. And here we go, upsy daisy. Super smooth, super quiet. Okay, later on these are going to get exterior hardware when the homeowner gets over here and tells us where they want it. Obviously, you can see this is a new construction site, so nice house. We'll show you the back end here real quick while the door is closing. Pretty nice. Get a nice pond over there. Beautiful day out here in Chicagoland. Look at that. Very nice. I'm going to close that third door for just a minute. There you go, there's all 3 of them. There you go, 3 Timberlast doors by Hormann, installed by Innovative. For all your overhead Hormann Timberlast doors, give us a call, 630-271-9343. Visit us online at www.innovativegaragedoor.com. Visit us online, visit us in person at 650 Ogden in Downers Grove, Illinois. Thanks for watching our Hormann garage door video, and as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our Hormann video.